Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today's video I'll show you that how you can connect MySQL to Power BI, because this is very important to know how you can connect MySQL Workbench to Power BI. Because in industry, when you're building any dashboard, so you have to connecting any server to Power BI when you're building a dashboard. Okay, normally what you are doing right now, just import the data from local system and make a dashboard. Okay, but industry it will not work. 99% cases you have to get the data from server. So let's get started. So first you have to make sure that you should install MySQL Workbench. So this is MySQL Workbench. First you have to make sure that this is MySQL Workbench installed. Then one thing is required for connecting, that is MySQL connector. So how it is, I'll show you. This is, you have to download and install it. MySQL connector net 9.1. Okay, you have to install this is required to connecting MySQL to Power BI. Then one thing that you have to do, that is when you go install the MySQL connector, you have to keep your file in the MySQL folder. Like, you have to make sure that two files in the same folder, MySQL folder, connector and installer for Windows. Otherwise you can get any error. So then you have to go to get data and more, search MySQL and here you need two things, server and database. So what is server? Also go to MySQL Workbench, and this is a server. So you have to localhost and 3306, this is a server. So what you have to do is that just right click and edit connection. You have to copy localhost and port number, close, go to Power BI, copy and paste localhost, copy paste port number. Then you should record database name. So what you have to do is just go to MySQL Workbench, now here is my database that I created before. So what you have to do is that I just choose one. I will choose database 1. This is my database. I will copy it and I will show you the table. What is my table inside the table? So this is my table. I will import in the Power BI this data. So go to Power BI and paste the database name and okay. So connecting successful, click over here and then see that what is my MySQL Workbench data. This is the same data in the Power BI. Just click load. It will take time, maybe it is depend on your RAM. So load is successful. So you will see that dataset is coming in Power BI. This is my data that is in my MySQL Workbench, same data. So you will successfully connecting the MySQL to Power BI. So you can make your dashboard as your choice. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you face any issue when you connecting to MySQL to Power BI, please let me know in the comment section. I will help you out. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.